Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to add video in Alight Motion application. To add videos in Alight Motion, follow these steps. Open up your Alight Motion application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account as well. Once you open up the app, either create a new project or open up an existing one where you want to add your video. I'm just going to open up an existing project. Once you open up the project, go ahead and click on the green button which should be located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu displayed on the screen, tap on Media. Select a video from your library and tap on it. Once you choose the video, it'll be imported and it'll appear on your screen. Resize the video according to your preference, and if you want to apply effects, transitions or any other edits you want, simply go ahead and select the video and look for effects option and choose your desired effect. Right after you do that, play back your video by tapping on the play button at the top and make necessary adjustment to timing, effects or placement if you need to do it further. Once satisfied, export your video by tapping on the export icon at the top right corner. Select the video format you would like to export on or share on and tap on export at the bottom. And that way you will be able to add video in Alight Motion in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.